He'll be beefed up in the middle, in the front court by Pau Havillonar. Balls up, game is on. TNT will take first possession.
Double D, Darius Days. Ang ganda siguro na magiging pag nagtapat sila nitong si T. Brown. Halos magkatimbang, parehong wide body. Yan, titignan natin itong matchup natin.
Totoo yan, no? So, pero itong Titan clearly wants to speed up.
Finish, pero inahawakan.
Oh, kapit agad sa left ankle nung pagbaba niya from that layup. I'm not sure if ngayon lang yan kasi balot na agad yung mga paa niya eh. They'll have 14 seconds on their shot clock. Brown attacking baseline. Inurong si Kubuntin pero andon yung depensa ni Days.
They have to be able to sprint back. Di ba, mention natin yung 29 fast break points. Masyadong marami siya. Di ba, dapat, and these are easy baskets. Yun. Another 3-pointer pag wala ka Darius.
Ito yung galaw ni Darius. The step back 3-pointer. Now, why not? If it's falling, ang hirap naman sabihin, wag mo itira yung tres kung pumapasok. Oh, look at Fran Yu getting away. Parang the new generation Gio Halanon. He's someone who pressures in the backcourt. Ang bilis din, bibigyan ka rin ng opensa. But speaking of giving, he has had 3 of them. Ito yung isa pa dun, catch and shoot naman. 3 minutes into this game, lamang ng 4 ang TNT behind the 9 points of Darius Days. All of them from 3-point range. Pero back-to-back din na 3 sa binitawan ng Giant Risers.
Struggle magmula dito kay Jordan Heading magmula sa kanilang game against Macau. Ito si Jordan Heading. I'm used to seeing him score 15, 20, 20 plus per ball game.
Terrell Brown finally gets a shot to fall in. 4-point lead. And that rally capped off by this triple mula sa kanilang import na si Terrell Brown. We'll be right back. Visibly naman na meron pang kapaan na nangyayari, pagpapakondisyon na nangyayari. But Darius is getting there fast. He spent 8 years sa prangkisa ng Rain or Shine before moving to
wala silang practice niya. So, that's parang yun ang naging practice game na lang na that game against Macau. This is why I love this guy's game. Tama dahil that's about 240 there, my friend. 245 ang timbang. So, yes, punish guys sa bandang ilalim. Talking about T. Brown.
He's built like back in 2017. Reynald Batat entered the PBA as the 7th overall pick selected by Rain or Shine. Ang rebound si Brown. Tumatakbo ang tropa. Kubuntin. Extra step. Couldn't finish. Galinato with the tip.
Galing. Nice trail job. Rim running is a Henry Galinato. Hindi nakabihis. There's no Kelly Williams. Ang tagal nang hindi naglalaro ni Poy Era. So napaka-importante. Yan, sa mga instances na gano'n, kailangan ni Henry Galinato.
Omega with the save. You save. Diretso kay Pugoy. TNT has numbers. Pugoy finds Kubuntin underneath. Pero syempre, I mean, wala namang bumabata, di ba? Everyone tumatanda. And Pugoy, I'm not saying na he's slow or anything, but nag-iiba na rin yung role niya sa pagpasok ng ibang mga player around him.
A lot of minutes. Ito yung RR Pugoy. Fading away, jumper. Make this basket. Nilinis pa yung ring.
Hindi acceptable. Hindi pwedeng maulit-ulit. Here's Brown against Varile underneath. Ular. Lefty. That's good.
Marco Mega is there. Tapay is there. Rod is there. Lalaki naman ngayon. Sa kapila, kaya we mentioned here's a nice 3-pointer. Kaya we mentioned kanina napaka.
In their last game, pero talo nga sila dun. Kaya ang hanap niya ngayon, panalo. A second to go. Kitevis puts it up and beats the buzzer. Ito yung tira ni Kitevis, oh.
Yeah. Well, nung nakaraang draft, Jat, dalawa lang.
Kada pasok sa court, you know, he just gives it his all.
Tama.
Tumatakbo ngayon ng bata kinaurid. Kid finishing with the left.
Itong TNT at 35, they picked Sean Kitevis at number 46, si Joe Celso, hindi pa ginagamit dito sa ating laro.
Roster ng isang coach, Chot Reyes.
Oo.
Mahilig magbigay si coach ng opportunities to those who earn them. But Sumac is earning his right to be. Titan falling into a zone and Kitevis is the key para basagin yun. Gagamitin niya isa. Sabi ni Kitevis, ba't pagpaubos na yung shot clock, laging nasa sa akin yung bola? Nagawa niya kasi ng paraan.